AR JEANS Producer Limited is one of the lead platinum garment industries in the world, located Katgora, Jirabo, Ashulia, Savad, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Presently, the management provided employment opportunity of about 2,600 workers, employees and officials.
We are AR JEANS Producer, denim exporter and producer from Bangladesh, and we started this unit. This is a lead platinum factory scoring by 90, and we started this factory last 4 years back, and now this factory is running very good with around 2,600 workers with us. We are working mainly in European market, and we have our own development unit in Spain, and also we do the development in Bangladesh. We have the certification for all the sectors. So I think all the buyers will be interested to work with us, and we can satisfy them with our quality, with our development, and with our service.
The AR JEANS Producer Limited is fully compliant factory, certified by Accord, Amphori, BSCI, SMETA SEDEX, OCS, GOTS, GRS and BCI. As the factory lead platinum, so that inside of the factory has a big green garden, vast open space, bicycle stand for workers, big parking area for transport, green gardens on the rooftop. Also the factory located at green area which is out of highway, and there is no noise, pollution and air pollution. In addition, large and small exhaust fans have been installed everywhere, including carbon dioxide emissions and fresh air to keep the carbon dioxide tolerable. The factory specializes in water saving by WWTP, River Osmosis Plant, and we have rainwater harvesting plant to collect rainwater for further use. We're using LED light instead of traditional or T8 light for energy efficient lighting system. As a result, 50% saving electrical energy by using LED light system in full building and premises. We have installed solar system and solar street light for security light post for zero energy use. 6 kilowatt energy saving for street lights and using by solar panels for site directly 12% of total electricity. We have installed a motion sensor light which depends on how you preset the timer and adjust electric lighting based on the available daylight area. We are using daylight sensor. We have used jute boiler which is used waste jute fuel instead of natural gas or electricity. We are using dual flush water closets for saving water for all toilets. We have Central Energy Data Monitor BMS to control all energy related systems from mechanical and electrical equipment in buildings. As the factory is inspected by Accord, the structural, fire and electrical safety is correct as per NTPA, and installed fire doors, smoke detectors, sprinkler in warehouse, hydrant systems for full premises, and all the movement routes are kept unobstructed at all times. There are hundreds of pigeons in the factory rooftop to keep the factory free from insects, which act as insect killers. To ensure the sound health of workers, there is liquid soap for cleaning hands at the main gate of the factory and in each toilet. Clean toilets, portable drinking water, bathing facilities, and all types of PPE are used during work. A large cleaning team is working to keep it clean all the time. We are operating 24 swing lines with modern machineries, including cutting section, embroidery and finishing section. Adequate security members are working to ensure the safety of the factory. Special teams are working for CCTV cameras and CCTV camera monitoring in every important places, and walkie-talkies are being used to make everyone aware about any aspect of the factory, including round-the-clock security. The PC Committee, Safety Committee, Women Anti-Harassment Committee, Canteen Committee, Fire Safety Committee, Grievance Committee, Anti-Harassment Committee for Workers, Recruitment Committee, etc. The factory has a variety of entertainment facilities for the workers such as football tournaments, picnics, sweet distribution at New Year's celebration, and dance and songs at the Eid festival. The giant hall for the workers, well-equipped canteen, well-equipped clean daycare, for keeping the children, round-the-clock factory doctors and nurses on the floor to ensure the health and safety of the workers during the working hour. We have welfare officer for women workers and well-formed HR team to provide training and awareness to the workers and staff for various issues. The authorities carry out a variety of work for society at different times, but socially and secretly according to social responsibility. For example, we have food baskets to the needy surrounding of our factory, provide special benefits to the handicapped workers in our factory, cut the paddy of the poor farmers of our own cost. We provide awareness program about education, health and hygiene to the surrounding society, provide winter clothes during the winter, etc.